In this video, we'll be listing the top 5 best new all-inclusive resorts in Mexico for 2024. Starting off at number 5, the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Uncover the irresistible charm of this autograph collection all-inclusive resort, where a realm of family-friendly enjoyment and upscale amenities awaits. The Royalton Splash proudly showcases one of the Caribbean's most expansive on-site water parks, setting the stage for an unparalleled vacation experience. With 1,005 suites, 12 restaurants, and 10 bars, the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun is a beacon of all-in luxury, offering a vacation experience that exceeds expectations. The expansive water park features 14 slides, lazy rivers, and pools for all ages, ensuring endless enjoyment for guests. From a convention center to an indoor trampoline park, bowling alleys to laser tag, the resort ensures a dynamic experience for every guest. For those seeking tranquility, pampering spa treatments and sports and fitness facilities are all available. You can delight in a culinary excellence at 12 restaurants, including 10 a la carte options, 1 buffet, and 1 sports bar. The exclusive Diamond Club section provides an elevated experience with access to a private beach area, personalized bar service, and an additional pool. Or you can upgrade to Diamond Club for an enhanced stay, complete with exclusive amenities. The resort caters to families with supervised kids clubs and a dedicated area for little ones in the water park. All-in connectivity ensures free high-speed Wi-Fi for all devices, keeping everyone connected and entertain. Embark on a vacation where luxury seamlessly blends with playfulness. At Royalton Splash Cancun, modern accommodations, exquisite dining, and thrilling water park adventures converge to create the perfect getaway for travelers of all ages. At number 4, the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. The Hyatt Zilara, located at Riviera Maya, Mexico, stands as an adults-only, all-inclusive beach resort nestled along the Caribbean shores. Occupying a sprawling 70-acre expanse, the resort offers 291 adults-only rooms, each presenting captivating views of either the sea or the expansive resort ground. These accommodations provide a range of choices, from swim-up suites to oceanfront spaces and rooms with rooftop terraces, catering to varied preferences. Every room at the Hyatt Zilara features a private furnished patio or balcony, full marble bathrooms, and double vanities, ensuring a comfortable and well-appointed stay. Guests can tailor their experience, choosing premium amenities with butler service or opting for a suite with a plunge pool, providing an immersive and personalized touch to their stay. Dining at the resort encompasses a diverse culinary journey with 4 restaurants and 5 bars and lounges. The offerings include unlimited elevated dining experiences and a selection of endless drinks, all set against the serene backdrop of the ocean. The Lola Beach Club, an outdoor dining venue, adds an extra layer of relaxation to the culinary experience, allowing guests to savor meals with the soothing sound of the ocean in the background. The Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya goes beyond providing just accommodation and dining. The resort offers an array of activities and entertainment options for guests, from indulging in skin-soothing treatments at the Zen Spa to participating in activities like sunrise yoga, water aerobics, and beach sports. Guests can tailor their days to match their preferences. For those inclined toward more active pursuits, the resort features a tennis court and a modern high-tech fitness center, nightly entertainment, and an on-site nightclub add a touch of excitement to the evening. The resort, fostering an adults-only atmosphere, provides a tranquil environment for those seeking an escape from the ordinary. Whether guests are looking for beachfront relaxation or an exploration of the nearby mangrove forest, the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya offers a diverse range of experiences for a well-rounded getaway. Third on our list is the Margaritaville Island Reserve Riviera Maya. Charisma Resort's newest addition opened its doors on June of 2023, providing an adults-only, all-inclusive retreat inspired by the legendary Jimmy Buffett. The 355 guest rooms and suites showcase island-inspired design, adorned with all-white linens and custom furnishings, delivering a luxurious and relaxing atmosphere. Dining at the resort is a culinary journey with 5 Margaritaville-inspired restaurants, a beachside grill, and a total of 9 restaurants and bars. From premium fine dining to casual beach fare, the resort provides diverse culinary experiences, all included in the all-inclusive rate. Situated on Mexico's Riviera Maya coast, the resort is strategically located within easy reach of attractions like the El Rey Mayan Ruins, Cancun Underwater Museum, and the Cancun International Airport. Guests can enjoy a serene environment with 3 free-form swimming pools and various activities from adventure to nature, making it an ideal destination for exploration and relaxation. The Saint Somewhere Spa by Charisma boasts a 2,000 square foot gym with an outdoor terrace for classes and early morning yoga sessions. The spa includes 9 treatment rooms, a couples room, a beauty salon, and a hydrotherapy area with steam room and sauna, providing guests with comprehensive wellness options. In the evenings, the resort comes alive with tropical vibes around the 3 free-form swimming pools, 2 of which feature swim-up bars. Additional pool bars, including the 5 o'clock Somewhere Bar, License to Chill and Wet Feet Bar, and the SOS Swim-Up Bar, all contribute to the lively atmosphere. Margarita Island Reserve introduces unique touches to the all-inclusive experience, such as chef-curated menus, surprise foodie hour with gourmet light bites, and customizable in-room bars. Whether guests choose to explore local attractions or unwind by the pools, the resort delivers a tropical haven where the Margaritaville lifestyle meets exceptional quality in a casual and friendly setting. If you're enjoying this video so far, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Second on the list is the brand new Secrets Impressions Isla Mujeres. Opened in May of 2023, Impression by Secrets Isla Mujeres sets the stage for the ultimate romantic Caribbean retreat on Isla Mujeres. The island's only resort invites couples to indulge in ultra-luxury suites mere steps away from the azure waters, renowned beaches, and vibrant marine life of the world's second-largest coral reef. The resort, gracefully integrated into the island's southern landscape, offers an exclusive boat to transport guests to its secluded haven. From sliding down the water slide into the ocean to exploring the Cancun Underwater Museum of Art, every moment is crafted for romance and adventure. Endless privileges redefine the all-inclusive experience, promising an intimate, personal, and guest-centered stay. A dedicated butler ensures a perfect experience, providing services like twice daily refreshed in-suite minibar, 24-hour private in-suite dining, and 24-hour laundry services. Guests enjoy gourmet cuisine, premium spirits, a welcome bottle of tequila or rum, sparkling wine, fresh fruit daily, and a complimentary 20-minute wellness experience. The resort also offers Wi-Fi, no check-in or check-out times, and luxurious bath amenities. Impressions by Secret Isla Mujeres boast tiered infinity pools, overwater cabanas, a spa with flotation treatments, and unlimited dining at 8 restaurants. The rooftop pool provides breathtaking sunset views. Accommodations feature 125 ultra-luxurious suites, each with personalized butler service and endless privileges. From the Junior Suite King with a tropical view to the Junior Suite Double with a partial ocean view and hot tub, every option offers opulence and privacy tailored to individual preferences. Guests can design their romantic escape by relaxing at the spa, venturing down the water slide, snorkeling along the coral reefs, or exploring Isla Mujeres with a personal golf cart. Impressions by Secrets Isla Mujeres stands as a boutique haven in one of the Caribbean's most exclusive destinations, promising a unique sense of romance, personalized service, and attention to personal needs. And in first place is the Secrets Tulum, ranked on our list as the best new resort in Mexico for 2024. Secrets Tulum Resort and Beach Club by AMR Collection promises an enchanting escape in the heart of Tulum, unveiling a fusion of Mayan culture and bohemian vibes where the jungle meets the sea. With its grand opening in October of 2023, this adults-only haven harmonizes modern luxury with a touch of authenticity. Nestled in a lush green mangrove, the resort offers 300 unique suites and 1 luxury villa, providing both jungle and beach accommodations, all under the umbrella of their signature unlimited luxury inclusion. Boasting a boho elegant design, the resort features earthy decor, cenote-inspired architecture, dedicated meditation areas, and secluded pools enveloped by lush vegetation. The exquisite beach club along the coastline captures Tulum's vibrant spirit against the backdrop of pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. Accommodations at Secrets Tulum include 301 suites, each designed to open into a cenote-style courtyard with an intimate pool surrounded by endemic vegetation. Serene yoga and meditation spots, along with cascading waterfalls, create a mystical ambiance throughout the property. The various suite options range from the Junior Suite King with with a tropical view to the Junior Suite Swim Out, offering a private pool, spacious living room, kitchenette, and the luxury of secret box and bath amenities. Activities at the resort span from luxurious pools with cenote-inspired architecture to day and night entertainment, including concert projections under the stars, cocktail classes, yoga, meditation, and water slides. The Spa by Pavonia promises an oasis of relaxation with indigenous treatments, a hydrotherapy circuit, and rejuvenating massages. Fitness enthusiasts can enjoy well-equipped facilities, while recreational activities encompass snorkeling, scuba diving, aqua spinning, and more. Secrets Tulum Resort and Beach Club invites guests to explore the great beaches, ancient Mayan ruins, and indulge in ecotourism, embodying the Secrets way of life with fabulous food, crafty cocktails, superb service, and first-class spa experiences. The resort stands as a captivating and enviable getaway, promising an experience like no other in the mystical surroundings of Tulum. If you found this video useful, it would be great if you can support us by subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button. And thanks so much for watching.